Accurate and time reflection reports are key to the management decision making process. With our batching software, you receive production information directly from the batching control PC, more importantly, when you need it. Real-time reporting keeps you informed of what's being produced or what has not been produced and the overall efficiency of your Readymix production. With your manual Readymix plant operations, the level of service is dependent on plant operators, and it is important to realize that the human will make errors no matter what their level of skills and experience. This has the effect of causing problems with your customer service. This is often an area where significant money can be saved by plant automation. Okay.